too many users error on Disney Plus happens when you go over this limit of streaming on 4 devices at the same time, and only 10 devices can be logged into your account. This error can also pop up if your app saved old login info or if many people share your account. So in order to fix it, you need to stop the other streams. Close Disney Plus on other devices or ask people sharing your account to log out. Go to your profile and then tap on account and then tap on log out. This will log you out from all the devices that has been streaming right now. And then you can go ahead and log back in on the device that you want to use. You can also close and reopen the Disney Plus application or the website and then sign in again. Then try changing the password. This logs everyone out so that you can have control who's logged in. And make sure that the Disney Plus plan allows enough streams for your needs. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.